Alright, let's do this. Welcome, game developers and boppers, to Doug Teaches Ue4. Sorry about the late update, or rather, this late video. It's just that yesterday, my usual upload days of Saturdays, First I had to go to an emergency, meeting thing for the school, for one of the schools that I'm teaching at. Then I had to substitute teach. Then I had grades to submit. Basically, the entire day flew by without me noticing. I was like, oh shit, I have to upload a tutorial, and it was too late. So, anyway, let's get started by fixing the dodge shit. As you remember, last time I had spacebar, and yeah, it doesn't like it when you use spacebar. So I was looking around in the project center, I was like, what the hell? Oh wait, no, I renamed jump to dodge, which is weird. So, here's what I mean. I'm just gonna type in dodge, the key mapping that I made, and that apparently fixes everything. So, if I play it now, okay, that's fixed. So, what are you gonna do now? Do I have a melee montage? You're gonna do a melee attack? Yeah, because, we're gonna do a melee attack. Well, because a melee attack is the same goddamn thing. Alright, fine, let's just do the melee attack and just get that shit over with. Okay. Why? Let's just do that. Why not? Hey, here's an idea. What? Grenade. Fire a grenade? Yeah. Alright, let's do a grenade toss then. Let's go here. Why? We're gonna have to go... Where's the fucking... There. Projectile PP. Okay. Bolter shell. Bolter shell, wait, no, you know what? I got a better idea. Let's go... I'm just gonna type in projectile. Why? Because I'm gonna grab first person projectile, and I'm gonna basically duplicate this, and this will be our grenade. Okay. Now I'm going to get out of that. Where's our grenade? I'm gonna take it and move it to. I'll just move it to game BP for now. All right. So now, because this thing already has gravity and shit put on it. So, yeah. So what we're gonna do at this point is, do we have a grenade throw toss key? Yes, and it is the G key. Oh, for God's sake, I'm stupid. So let's go here. Into our character CPP. Do I have a grenade toss? Grenade toss. Oh, so we already play it. Can't attack is true. Yeah, we're good. So this, so basically this plays. We set can't attack to false, and then we can fix the rest in the montage itself. So let's go into here. Let's go Astra Militarum. Let's go to the mesh. Let's go here because we've got to find the grenade toss. I think it's literally called grenade toss. And yes. Okay. All right. So cool. Let's create a montage of this. So we go scroll up, create anim montage. I'll just call it Astra Militarum Grenade Toss Montage. Okay. So with this selected, we go into our Astra Militarum Infantry Blueprint, scroll down to where it says Essentials, and by scroll down I have to hit class defaults. There we go. So you have our dodge montage, your grenade toss montage. Shouldn't we have it for
with our montage.
Well, okay, so this is default. So if you're like working with Tempest Scion, like Fast Attack, they'll have their own like montage, and we'll set that in event begin play. We'll literally override it. So now I have to look up. I have to go here. Do I have any? Oh, there's the arrow. I can just use the arrow. I can use the fucking arrow. Hell yeah! Right, so in our event graph, we need to actually just. Wait, no, we don't need to do anything with our event graph.
Wait, why?
Because we already play it here. We play we actually play the montage in code. So if I hit play and hit G,
oh, our thing plays.
Yeah, but we need to spawn the projectile.
So how do we do that? Through the event graph?
No. We do that through we go to let me hit class defaults. Scroll down to our essentials. You do it from here. So
can we increase the play rate?
You have to do it in here. Say like 2. Okay, so here's. While I forget what name none does, play add a montage is a function, right? It takes in 3 arguments. It takes the montage name, the play speed, and I forget what this one is. But like you could just say grenade montage, and you could just play around with this. You can actually upgrade the speed if you want to, in here, or
can you do it in the blueprint?
Yeah, you can rate scale it here too. So we need to have some modifiers. So we just like right around here. We can make a new notify, spawn, nade, and here we need to say can attack is. We have to say okay. So can attack equals false, true. So we can say attack done. So that way, when we do a melee montage, which is literally the same thing, we can like just reference this.
All right, because that way can attack will be such a true.
Yeah.
Can we do that with reset?
Oh, yeah, that's a good idea. Let me just do that with reset. God, I'm stupid. Let's get rid of that. Okay, let's get rid of you, and just fucking do reset. Oh my god, I'm so stupid.
Well, that is Sunday.
Yeah, I wonder how many people are gonna fucking watch this shit. Anyway,
what, on a Sunday?
Yeah.
Well, you could, get the... You can do Friday tutorials again.
Ugh, don't even remind me, I want to do it so bad. But on the plus side, they might come back. Like I said, they might. I'm still trying to work that out.
Oh, speaking of, when are the... Because you said mid-December, right?
Yeah, next week you'll start seeing, next week you'll start seeing some Unreal Engine 5 tutorials.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Just the mini tutorials. As far as the lesson plans are concerned, I'm gonna have to explain that. Anyway, let's get the arrow. Get arrow 1. So then we wanna get world transform, I think. And then from there we can just spawn the actor. Spawn actor. I can just call this grenade. And then I just plop this into here. And then there's that.
Will that work?
Well, let's find out. Is it G? There we go. Hell yeah.
Nice.
Now let's get this thing actually acting like a grenade.
Okay.
So let's go into here. Let's double click you. So grenades have a set time, and then they go boom. So we can. There are 2 ways we can do it. We can either do it in here, in this blueprint, or we can spawn another actor that actually has our frag explosion. And that's actually a lot easier, trust me, because it makes the code a little cleaner.
Oh, okay.
So we're going to make another blueprint class. This will be actor. This will be, I'll just call this frag explosion. And in here, I'll just have, let's do a particle editor, a particle system. Template, I'm just going to use P explosion, because of course, should I have I'll play a sound, but, like, should I have a radial force?
Do you want to have a radial force?
No. But radial forces allow for... Radial forces allow for not... Alright, I'll put a radial force in, but I'm not going to do much with it. There you go.
What's a radial force do?
It just pushes people back. So, I'll just do that. That. Force strength, I'll bump up. I'll bump up to, like, 500.
So what will all this do?
Okay, so... This says what... Okay, so let's break down what a radial force does. It basically... Radius is how big you want. Fall off, do you want it constant or linear? That's pretty much self-explanatory. Objects you want to hit, objects that you want to react to it, that's another thing that you want. But again, this is self-explanatory. Impulse strength, again, how hard do you want to hit? Velocity change and well, ignore owning actor. But velocity change. Like if you're in the radial force, then you'll be affected. So you'll be affected by the impulse strength.
What about force?
Force acts like on its own. It can it can do some damage. But anyway, let's just let's go here. We can go to class defaults and scroll down.
For what?
How long do we want this thing to live? So initial lifespan here. If it's set to 0, then that means it's there forever. So we actually want to give it a value. I'll say 0.2 because that's usually a good enough thing for a grenade. On event begin play, I'll just play a sound. I'll just play sound 2D. And play sound 2D, I'll just have where's an explosion? There you are. I'll just have explosion. So then, in our grenade. In our event begin play, we're going to have an event begin play here. Begin play.
Can't we have, don't we have, whatchamacallit? Can't we do the lifespan thing?
No, because we actually have to do something with this thing. We have to actually tell it to, hey, after X amount of seconds, kill yourself and, destroy yourself and spawn an actor. Not in that order, obviously. So here, I'll just delay it. I'll hold down D for delta and just hit left click for delay. As far as delay is concerned, I'm just going to hit 2 seconds. After the second is complete, get actor transform. You can just say self, but it's already set to self by default, so it doesn't necessarily matter. Spawn actor, we just want to spawn the frag explosion. And then... after that is said and done, we want to destroy this. We want to destroy actor. We want to destroy ourselves. So let's play. Hit G. There we go. There we go. Sweet. Let's do another grenade. Yup.
Where'd it go?
I don't fucking care. Let's do one more. Hey, G. Yep. What? The hell? That was weird. A frag explosion? Maybe.
Why?
I probably got destroyed or something. Let's try it again. Mr. G.
Where'd it go?
Who cares? Point is, we got that up and running. But I wonder. Let me see something. G. G.
What is it?
It's not resetting.
Why?
Don't know. Let's find out. I'll go here. And on reset. Oh no. That's iframes on. There's reset. I'll just string. Let's print a string. See if it actually does something. Huh. So reset isn't running.
Why?
That's weird.
Is there anything we can do?
I'll move this closer. Extra dry. See what happens then. Huh.
You think it's in the code?
Yeah, could be. No, it can't be.
You sure?
Yeah. Because when I did this for ninjas, this is the exact same thing I did for Ninjas vs. Robots.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. How about... Let's see... Well, technically speaking, we could create another thing. Another thing. But let's see... Let's see something here. Let's go here. And then... Let's set can attack to true again. Attack. Let's set that to true. And then plug this in. And then let's try this. There we go. So reset just wasn't calling.
What happened to the... Where are the frag explosions?
That's probably because the sphere is so goddamn small. It just probably clipped in and just to oblivion.
Oh, really? That can happen?
Yeah.
Wow!
That's awesome. Alright, let's do this again. Whee! There we go.
So what's next on the tutorial list? Because eventually you're going to have to do multiplayer replication.
I'll do a melee combat. Well, I don't want to do another melee thing. If any of you want to know how to melee combo tutorial, I'll put a card in here because the game design tutorial, the game design lesson plans still work. It's just you got to deal with the sound lag. And yeah, like next week, Unreal Engine 5 is going to come out in tandem.
Okay, cool. So tune in next time, boppers and game developers, to Doug Teaches Ue4. Yes.